Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. I just hope the good for you all. So today's video is gonna be a style on a budget video. February and March are the months for weddings, so I just thought this is a really good time to film this video, and I just came across this platform called DateTheRamp. You can actually look your best under $1,000. Can you believe it? That too wearing designer outfits, guys. Like, I'm totally against the fact that when you have to spend thousands and thousands of bucks just for that one single occasion, then that dress that you got stitched or you got from some designer and paid thousand bucks for that dress is just lying around, or maybe your friend can borrow it or whatever. Like, it's not gonna get used more than 3 times or maximum more than 4 times. DateTheRamp people are very kind. They let me use their services. They provided me a coupon of $1,500 and I rented, can you guess how many pieces I rented? I rented 4 pieces in just $1,500. So I rented 4 pieces in just $1,500, and oh my god guys, it's such a great deal. So before we head to the video and see what all I got, I am just gonna show you the packaging, how it comes. It comes in such a huge box. Literally, you can see how huge is that. Like, seriously. And they send some more information about the designers that you're gonna wear. The stylist calls you personally to ask your exact measurements and they get it altered according to you. Plus, these are literally dry clean, so it's all clean and it is in a very good condition. So there is no complaint regarding that it feels like it's used or worn by someone, because it's pretty clean. And I really hope you get something bomb to wear on your next big occasion, or maybe just a small one, because they have everything from casual dresses to the prettiest ethnic dresses you can have, and all of these are designer. I mean, what else do you want under $1,500? Enough of the tarif. Now let's go to the video and see how it all looks.
I hear everybody talking about me. You passed me long ago. I'm silence on these streets. This disease can make me a monster, or bring me to my knees. But I'm casting all of my shadows on someone else's dreams. But I'm not somebody's problem. I'm not somebody's fear. I'm not that guy who lied to your face those nights. I'm not somebody's trouble. I'm someone's missing piece. I'm begging you, don't remember me. Don't remember me this way. Don't remember me. Don't remember me this way. Don't remember me. Remember me. Outside everybody's floating higher up than me. Ooh, you say I'm just too sensitive, then turn the other cheek. The doctors say they know what it feels like, how it feels to be at ease.
So that was it for the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video and got some idea what to wear on your next big or small occasion, because I tell you guys, this website is bomb. I really hope you like this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also hit the bell notification just next to it so that every time I post a new video you would know. Also, if you don't know, I post new videos every Thursday and every Monday, so make sure you come back here. And I want to share one thing with you guys, that मैं अपना statistics देख सकती हूँ and 70% of my viewers are not my subscribers, guys. It's free. Please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.